Hello, welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today we're going to look at some of the things that happened this week in order to make plans for next week. Remember, Monday the stock market is closed, so the stock market will open Tuesday morning. One of the tools I look at in order to get myself familiar with what happened this week is FinViz. I like the heat map, and it gives you can take a quick look at it and kind of get a good bearing of what's happening. A lot of green. This is a one-day performance. NVIDIA was down red. That's because they have an antitrust suit filed against them by Microsoft and Google and Qualcomm. Everything else is green in that sector. Lots of green. A one-week performance in the stock market, I can tell you, has performed well this week. Telsa is a red, and Amazon was slightly down. Overall, green. The SPY for the week is up. The finance ETF is up as well. Oil is up. Energy performed well this week. Technology, the financials performed well this week. The industrials, healthcare, utilities, and real estate, not so good. The market generally reached record highs. I'd be very careful at this point. Next week, the market will be volatile. The effects of the impeachment, trying to get the stimulus package through, oil prices, the cornering of the silver market are all going to be influential. I'll be looking at AI technology and 5G, also some healthcare stocks. Green energy and green stocks, as well as legacy energy stocks, are on my radar this week. I currently have a short in FANG. I'll be closing that short out as a loss. CVS Health reports this week, and so I'll be looking at healthcare stocks. 5G and technical stocks are on my radar and are the future. Technology is not going to stop, even if we're in a recession. Finally, I'll be looking at the financial sectors, particularly Capital One. I have a watch list of 170 stocks. I have them categorized with healthcare, financial, 5G being some areas of interest. These are my 5G stocks. Then I've back-tested them to see how well they perform on various different indicators. This is the RSI indicator, and it says for Apple, the RSI has a percentage win rate of 60%. That's not good. We have one with 100%, and that is American Tower. 88, that's good. Nokia. 86, T-Mobile. Then each day I run a OmniBroker program against my basket of 170 stocks. And then I get a report based on the various indicators. This is for my RSI. I use the MACD indicator, especially for trending stocks. The zigzag to kind of give me a visual picture of what's happening in the market. And also I use it to kind of know when to get out. And the MA, if it's trading above it, the MA, it means, some people think it means that the stock is trending up, and below is trending down. So I'm going to take a look at these various stocks and see how they're looking technically. First, we're going to look at AI and APHA. We're going to skip over the Forex thing, but I list them because sometimes they play them. But really, this channel is about stocks and swing trading stocks. This is my OmniBroker program, and this is my OmniBroker routine that I run. And first of all, we're going to look at AI. C3 AI operates enterprise artificial intelligence software. It's a relatively new company, and since its listing on the stock exchange, it has been going steadily up. AI has been going up, received a RSI signal here, and took the trade right there. This was a winner, but I decided to hold it until the next day, which is Tuesday. Perhaps it'll go down, perhaps it'll go up, who knows. And the next stock I'd like to talk about is FMC. Up and down. Zigzag. You can take this trade here. We received the MACD within 4 of the zigzag indicating down, and so we would take a short here. Now, this is the 200 and 200, and it acts as support oftentimes. So I'm going to wait for FMC because I think there's a chance it's going to bounce off the 200 moving average, and I'm going to take a long. The next one is Costco. Let's have a closer look. Costco seems to have been on a steady decline. We have MACD here, very close to the zero line, also close to the 200-day moving average. I'm going to set this one out, looking at the zigzag and seeing if there's been any changes, and there hasn't. APHA has changed, and there it is. We've already talked about this. Changes in the MA crossover. MA crossed up. MA touched Coca-Cola, crossed above. That's usually a sign of bullish. Pay.com, cross above, bullish, ups, Honeywell, and we'll skip over the euro. FACD down, Nvidia. So in conclusion, I will look at BDX for an MACD buy on Tuesday morning. I'm already in AI as a short. I will look to buy BDX as a long. You can do what you want with these other things. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.